An investigation is ongoing at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport after a Delta Tech Ops incident resulted in the deaths of 2 employees and injuries to another. The incident occurred around 5 a.m. on Tuesday when a tire reportedly exploded. The victims were identified as 58-year-old Mirko Marweg and 37-year-old Luis Aldarondo. Authorities are working to determine the cause of the explosion as Delta Airlines extends its condolences to the families affected by this tragic event.
What it sounded like when first responders got onto the scene and were calling back in dispatch.
1775 Maynard H. Jackson Jr. Boulevard, Delta TOC 3, door number 28. Reference to an explosion.
Show truck 41 en route.
Copy that, truck 41 showing you en route.
We've got a total of 3 victims. 1 victim being transported by Medic 2 to Grady Hospital. The other 2 victims are 48.
And I want you to take a look at your screen right here because this Delta